Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix missing or not delivered VC or MT after the purchase. So if you bought VC and you haven't got it on your account, what you need to do here, you just need to go to the browser and then you just need to write to K-Support and then here support games and then select MBA2K24 and here, and then you need to scroll down until you see submit a request. And here you just select MBA2K24, enter your email address and the subject. You just need to write missing or not delivered VC. And then you just need to write here, hey, I just purchased my VC and it's not delivered to my account. And then the issue, you need to select as you can see here, VC or MT store. And then here I purchased, but I haven't received. Select the platform. For example, Steam, and then platform ID. So this one, platform ID, it will be your simply your gamer tag or Steam ID or PSN ID. Or if you're playing on Nintendo, I believe there is a Nintendo here, ID as well. Put that ID here as they state. Then operating system, select whatever you like here. And then your MBA2K registration email. So basically the email that you put to my player account. And then what you need to do here is to say that you purchased the VC and you did not get it. And here you need to simply put your amount missing. And then you need to, on the attachments here, make a screenshot of receipt and copy of transaction history and submit your request. And after that, you just need to wait until they will reach out to you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.